What's the meaning of assisted area? Assisted area. Assisted area.
Assisted area. Assisted area. An assisted area is a geographic area in the United Kingdom that is designated by the government as being in need of economic assistance. This designation can make the area eligible for various forms of government aid and support, including financial assistance, tax breaks, and other incentives designed to encourage economic growth and development. The goal is to provide targeted help to areas that are struggling economically, in order to spur investment, create jobs, and promote long-term growth and stability. Overall, assisted areas are an important tool for promoting regional development and improving the economic well-being of communities across the UK.